Hey, I'm Arya. Let's make Excel Excel. Today, the IFERROR function. It catches formula errors and replaces them with whatever you want. A friendly message, a zero, even a blank cell. 4 real examples coming up. First up, catching a search error. We want to know if the word fire appears in a Pokemon's type. Blastoise in C3 has type water, so the search will fail and Excel normally throws a value error, which looks ugly in a report. Type equals IFERROR, open paren. Inside the formula to test, search, open paren, quote fire, quote, comma, C3, close paren. That's the part that might error out, comma. Then the fallback value, quote, not found, quote. Close the outer paren, hit enter. Search looks for fire inside water, finds nothing, returns the error, and IFERROR swoops in and gives us not found instead. Clean, readable, no scary errors on the dashboard. And if fire had been there, IFERROR would just return its position. Next, the classic divide by zero. Pure math forbids it, and so does Excel. Type equals IFERROR, open paren, then the dangerous formula, 1 divided by 0, comma, then our friendly message, quote, cannot divide by 0, quote, close paren, hit enter. The 1 over 0 instantly produces the div by 0 error, but IFERROR catches it and shows our text instead. Same pattern works for any quotient where the denominator might come from a cell that's blank, 0, or missing. Wrap it in IFERROR and your report stays clean. This is where IFERROR really earns its place, the lookup. We have a table called IFERROR_data, and we want to find Mewtwo in the name column. Spoiler, Mewtwo isn't in our dataset. Type equals IFERROR, open paren. Inside, index of IFERROR_data, bracket name bracket, comma, then match, open paren, quote, Mewtwo, quote, comma, the same name column again, comma, 0 for exact match. Close match paren, close index paren, comma. Then our fallback message, quote, Pokémon not found, quote. Close the outer paren, hit enter. Match searches the name column for Mewtwo, doesn't find it, and returns NA error. Index inherits that error, IFERROR catches the whole thing, and we get Pokémon not found instead, a message any user can understand. If Mewtwo had been in the table, we'd see the name returned cleanly. This pattern saves you from NA clutter in every VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, and index match you write. Last example, defensive math. We want Charizard's attack divided by speed, G2 over K2. Type equals IFERROR, open paren, G2/K2, comma, quote, invalid score, quote. Close paren, hit enter. Charizard's 84 divided by 100 equals 0.84, no error. When the math works, IFERROR just returns the answer like a normal formula. The safety net is only triggered if speed were ever 0 or blank. That's IFERROR's quiet power, invisible when everything's fine, helpful when it isn't. So that's IFERROR, one function that catches every Excel error, NA, div by 0, value, ref, num, name, and null, and lets you decide what shows up instead. Wrap it around any risky formula and your spreadsheet looks polished even when the data is messy. That's how you make Excel Excel. And if you want to take your IFERROR formulas and turn them into a web app your whole team can use from any browser, check out SpreadsheetWeb. Your formulas, your logic, live on the web with no coding required. Link is below.